Assalamualaikum. Hello and welcome to the English Year 2 online lesson. So for today's lesson, it is from Unit 6, The Old House. The topic is There's and There Are. The learning objectives for today's lesson is, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to use there's and there are in sentences correctly. You will be successful if you're able to pronounce the words with guidance correctly and able to answer at least 6 questions correctly. So, what is there's and what is there are? Okay, apa tu there's, apa tu there are. Okay, we've learned this before at the school, face to face. So this is the continuation of that lesson. Okay, there's refer to things that are one and not many. There's ni merujuk kepada benda yang hanya ada satu dan tak banyak. Okay, there are refer to things that are many or more than one. There are pula diguna untuk benda yang banyak ataupun lebih daripada satu. Okay, there are. Di sana ada. There's. Di sana ada. There's untuk satu. There are untuk banyak. I hope you still remember, okay? So let's look at this example. Okay, look. The bouncing ball. Okay, for this one is there's. Okay, because the ball is only one. Guna there's sebab hanya ada satu bola. So we can write like this. There's a ball. Okay, there's a ball. So only a ball. A bermaksud satu, sebuah. Kan, teacher dah bagi tahu hari tu, a maksudnya satu. Jadi ada satu bola, a ball. So we use there's. Bila benda tu ada satu, kita guna there's. Okay, how about this? 4 balls. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 balls. Okay, 4 balls means benda tu dah banyak. So bila dah banyak, we use they are. So we can write like this. There are 4 balls. 4. Kalau tak ada gambar, ada ayat je. Dalam ayat tu kita tengok ada 4. 4 maksudnya 4. Maksudnya balls tu dah ada banyak. Balls sendiri pun bila ada S maksudnya dah banyak. Jadi 4 balls, 4 biji bola. So automatically we need to answer there are 4 balls. Okay, I hope you understand. Teacher harap kamu faham dan masih lagi ingat. And then we continue. Next example. Okay, look at this tree. Okay, how many tree? Yes, only one tree. Hanya ada satu je tree. So we need to use there's. We can write like this. There's a tree. Tengok, sekali lagi ada a. A means satu. A tree. Sebatang pokok. So we need to use there's. So there's a tree. Jadi kalau kamu tengok soalan, ayat tu isi tempat kosong, ada a je. A, apa benda? A. Automatically the answer is there's. How about this one? Wow, so many trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trees. So if more than one, lebih dari satu, we need to use there are. Bila ada banyak macam ni, kena guna there are. We can write like this. There are many trees. Many ni maksudnya banyak. Trees. Bila dah banyak, perlu letak S. Jadi, bila banyak, many trees, kita kena guna there are. So, it should be there are many trees. Jadi, bila jawab soalan nanti, tengok pada selepas tempat kosong. Dia tulis maksudnya there's lah tu. Kalau dia letak one, there's. Tapi kalau dia letak four ke, many ke, dia letak nombor ataupun many ni, the answer should be they are. Okay? Do you understand? Very good. I hope you understand. Okay? So, let's do the exercise. Okay, in the module that me and Teacher Sheila gave to you, you can refer to this page, the second page, I think. Okay, fill in the blanks. Okay, I hope you will answer them correctly. It's easy, just put theirs and they are. So before you start writing your answer, I will explain a bit about the word in the sentences given. Okay, so there's, they are is the answers. Ni dua ni adalah jawapan yang perlu kamu isi dalam tempat kosong. So as I said before, seperti teacher kata sebelum ni, kamu kena tengok perkataan selepas tempat kosong untuk tahu which one is the answer. Yang mana satu jawapannya. Okay, itu clue-nya. Tengok selepas tempat kosong. Okay, number one, a bottle on the table. A bottle on the table. Botol, botol lah dalam bahasa Melayu. On the table, di atas meja. Okay, number two, two pencils on the desk. Okay, we have two. I know you know what is two, right? Pencil, pencil macam biasa. On the desk. Desk ni pun meja. Meja macam kat kelas kamu. Okay. Kalau table ni macam kat meja teacher. Okay, dia besar. Number three, three bags at the field. Bag, tahu bag kan? Bag yang bawa pergi sekolah tu. At the field, field ni padang. Number four, a notebook in my bag. Notebook ni buku nota dalam bag saya. Okay, number five, many girls at the mall. Many, teacher dah terangkan tadi apa. Girls, budak perempuan di pasar raya. Mall ni pasar raya. Okay, number six, a shirt hanging on the rack. Shirt. Shirt ni baju t-shirt kita lah. Hanging, bergantung, on, di atas, rack. Rack ni rak. Okay. Number seven, a pencil case in the class. Pencil case. Do you know pencil case? Pencil case yang kamu bawa pergi sekolah, letak alat tulis tu. Kotak pensel kamu tu lah. Itulah. In the class. Di dalam kelas. Number eight, many rocks by the beach. Many, teacher dah terangkan tadi. Rocks, batu-batuan di tepi pantai. Beach itu pantai. Number nine, 10 paper bags in the box. I know you know what is 10, right? Okay, paper bags ni bag kertas di dalam box. What is box? Good, box tu kotak. And the last one, number 10, a textbook on teacher's chair. Textbook, buku teks di atas kerusi teacher. So, I hope you understand all the words and I hope you can answer the questions, the sentences correctly with theirs and they are. Teacher harap semua boleh isi jawapan dengan betul. And then after you complete your work, you can snap a photo, ambil gambar and upload to the link that I give it to you. Okay? Good luck. Okay, submit your complete worksheets photo in the link given through WhatsApp. Any questions you can ask me, okay? Good luck and thank you for joining the online lesson with me today. That's all. Assalamualaikum. Bye.